Welcome to 7 Farmview Drive in Bellevue. Beautiful family home, split cycle, aircon ducted, lovely windows, big open spaces, through to the kitchen, wrap around benchtop, built-in oven and dishwasher, pantry, lots of light. We'll have a look there in a moment. Large living space, master bedroom this way. Split cycle aircon, walk-in robe, ceiling fan as well as ducted. You've got all the options here. This is the bathroom, which is ensuite. So you've got a shower, heated towel rail, nice little window, and a beautiful outlook. Bedroom number 2, front facing window, ducted AC and a ceiling fan. Main family bathroom, separate bath and shower. Third bedroom, split cycle, fan, built-in robe and ducted port as well. Accessible door to the main living space as well, so this could be a study. Laundry, plenty of space for machines and equipment. Large sink, that's huge actually, and a toilet. These doors here open up full width, so you've got a big access way through to the backyard, which is just lovely. Big garden shed. Side access where you can drive all the way through here. You've got a fold-out clothesline, nice green grass, beautiful outlook, and a water tank as well. And that's accessible through to your laundry there too. Very large and flexible living space.